Are you wondering about how to get more sales and about how to market your PrestaShop store products? Presenting to you the best solution. Introducing the best Affiliate Marketing Pro module created by Joe Themes. Affiliate marketing is one of the best solutions for getting more sales as well as marketing products available online. Best Marketing Pro module is easy to use, affordable, and will help you increase your sales. This module is available for only 29 euros. Avail this offer. So are you ready? Stay tuned for the full walkthrough. First of all, let's go to the PrestaShop add-ons website. Search for the best Affiliate Marketing Pro in the search box. Click on the result. Here you will see the full description and features about this amazing product. There you will see an offer price of only 29.99 euros only. So now let's take a walkthrough for the front office. Customers can easily opt in for the affiliate program on the PrestaShop stores using this module. So now let us sign in, okay? As you see, customers can easily access his affiliate dashboard in his My Account section. The affiliate dashboard has an amazing design. Over here, affiliates have the ability to embed your products externally on his or her website. Here I show you how it's done, okay? Wow, we have created something that is more than the traditional affiliate banners. The dashboard features an easy to navigate menu. Here we see how easy it is to navigate in the menu bar, okay? With the Joe Themes affiliate module, you can set up countless payment options for your affiliate to receive payments. There is an easy to customize terms and conditions page for the program. In future, I will show you how it's set up from the back office. Moving on to the back office demo. Here I will give you a brief overview, okay? You have an option to send greeting invitations that is in the form of emails. to notify customers about the affiliate program. Here you can easily view and manage your affiliates. Here the store admin has the ability to view affiliate partners information. Here you can also approve the affiliate orders. You can send them personal emails. Also you can enable or disable the affiliate, or you can add him to a custom group. Using the JoThemes module, you can create unlimited level affiliate groups with their respective commission rates. So this is really easy to set up and easy to use. Like all affiliate programs, JoThemes module gives you an option to create banners for affiliates. This module also gives you an option to create notes for the affiliates that will be displayed on the affiliate dashboard. So you can create updates and news about your store so that affiliates are aware about all the updates on your store. This amazing module also provides you an option to approve commissions based on order status settings. Someone asked me how to refer customers offline to my website. So then I told them about coupons that are available for the affiliate program. So using coupon codes, affiliates will be able to refer other customers to your website. So here are all the settings that are available for setting up the coupons. You can easily set the commission rates and all the other settings that are available for coupons using these options. So here are some other settings that are available for the affiliate program. So this will enable or disable the sign up button on the registration page. And the other setting will help you whether to calculate the commission price based on the product's price including tax or without taxes. Lastly, let's take a look at how to update the terms and conditions for the program. To make changes to the terms and conditions page, just make changes to this form, then click the save button. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, send an email to support@jothemes.com. Bye bye guys and take care.